Hi, I'm Michael from County Battery. Today I'm going to show you how to change the battery in a Gardtec Alarm system.
Right, once you've located your control box, you'll see there's either 1, 2 or even 4 screws on the front. On this alarm there's just the one, so using my screwdriver I'm simply going to unscrew this. Once it's unscrewed, the front will just open. This one is hinged, so it opens nice and easily. Once you've opened it though, the alarm will sound as there's an anti-tamper setting, so using the keypad, which is either on the front of the box or in this case just above it, enter your code now for this to stop. On this alarm I'm going to use the Fuller 12 volt 2.3 amp battery, which is available on our website. Now to remove the old one, you'll see there's just a small clip holding the front edge, so release this and pull the battery out. Then there's just 2 spade connectors on the terminals. Simply pull these off, get your new battery and pop them back on, making sure that positive and negative are on the correct terminals. Once connected, slide it back into the box and make sure the clip goes back over it to make the battery nice and secure in there. Now just close the front up, tighten the screw. Now make sure the screw is tight, as you don't want it to be loose and open on its own. Now key in your passcode again on the keypad to ensure everything is back up and running, and that's it, you're all done. For more information, please go to www.countybattery.co.uk or give one of our experts a call on 01623 757 377. Thank you for watching.